If you're struggling with getting views on your content, but nobody is actually taking the next step, in this video, I'm going to show you the simple shift that helps turn confused viewers into people who actually trust you and follow your lead. Hey, my friend, welcome back to the Freedom Formula Roadmap series. Now, before we jump in, if you haven't watched videos 1 and 2 yet, go back and watch those first, because this video builds directly on those lessons. Video 1 is where we talked about using systems and pre-created products instead of building everything from scratch. And video 2 is where we covered how to stop chasing people online and start letting the right people naturally find you. You really need those first 2 puzzle pieces before today's fix fully clicks. Hey, I'm Lori. I'm a married empty nester mom of 4 living in Missouri. And after years of trying different online business models that left me exhausted, I eventually realized something important. Getting attention online is not the same thing as building trust, and trust is what actually creates results. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that now, because we're walking through this roadmap step by step together. I'm building this channel for moms and dads who want a simpler, more sustainable way to create income and freedom online without all the fake hype and pressure. Is there anything more frustrating than seeing your views go up while your bank account stays exactly the same? It can honestly feel confusing. You think, people are watching, so why isn't anything happening? But usually this is not a traffic problem. It's a clarity problem. Most people online are trying to say too many things at once. They're talking about 10 different ideas, using complicated language, throwing random offers everywhere, and the viewer leaves feeling overwhelmed instead of helped. Now, here's where this really started clicking for me. My background in education completely changed how I approached online business. When I worked in schools, I learned something early on. If someone wasn't making progress, it usually meant the instructions were unclear. Confused people rarely move forward. Clear people do. And online business works exactly the same way. People don't need more noise. They need a simple roadmap. At this stage of life especially, most of us are tired. We don't want complicated. We want clarity. We want someone who can simply say, here's step 1, here's step 2. Here's what to do next. That's what builds trust. And this next step was really important, because this is where most people lose viewers without even realizing it. When someone lands on your content, they need to understand 3 things almost immediately. Who are you? Can you help me? And what should I do next? If those 3 things are unclear, people leave. Not because your content is bad, because their brain got overwhelmed. This was a huge shift for me. I stopped trying to impress people, and I started trying to guide people clearly instead. And that changed everything. Because when people feel safe and clear, they naturally begin to trust you. And honestly, this is really encouraging if you're someone like me who doesn't want to be loud or flashy online. You don't need to be the loudest person on the internet. You just need to be the clearest. That's it. The people who win long term are usually the ones who simplify things, the ones who make overwhelmed people feel calm again. That's real authority, not hype, not pressure, not pretending to know everything, just clarity. There are so many moms and dads right now who feel overwhelmed trying to figure out online business, and I understand that feeling because I lived it. I spent years bouncing between side hustles, trying to figure it out. But the moment I stopped trying to do everything and started following a simple structure instead, things finally became sustainable. And at this stage of life, sustainability matters more than hustle. So today we covered why views alone do not create results, why clarity builds trust faster than hype, and why quiet authority works better than trying to be loud online. People aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for someone who makes things feel understandable. And if you want to see the exact structure and roadmap I'm personally following to build this online business step by step, you can grab the free blueprint linked below in the description. That's where I break down the system in a much simpler and clearer way. And in our final video, I'm going to show you how one simple idea can actually turn into multiple streams of income online without constantly starting over from scratch. Because most people are working harder instead of smarter, and this final shift ties the entire roadmap together. And if you missed the beginning of this series, make sure you start with video 1 right here. I'll see you in video 4.